In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Moosemail AI, the latest game-changing software that just hit the scene. This tool promises to revolutionize the way you manage email marketing, but is it really as good as it sounds? Stick around because I'll dive into 7 crucial aspects that could make or break your decision to use it. First, you might be wondering, what is Moosemail AI? It's an AI-powered email marketing tool that automates much of the email marketing process, saving you hours of manual work. Now, what really sets it apart is the way it uses AI to optimize emails based on data-driven insights. It's not just about sending mass emails, it's about sending the right emails at the right time to the right people. So if you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, this is a tool you'll want to keep watching for. The first big feature that jumps out is its personalization. Moosemail AI uses advanced algorithms to craft emails that feel like they're tailored specifically to the recipient. It takes personalization beyond just addressing your customer by name. It analyzes past behavior, preferences, and even predicts what they might be interested in next. This makes every email feel like it was written just for them, which, as you know, is crucial for driving engagement and conversions. Second, we have automation. The platform doesn't just send emails out, it tracks the best time to send them, ensuring maximum open rates. You won't need to manually schedule every single email blast anymore. The system does all the heavy lifting, letting you focus on creating content and growing your business. It's designed to run in the background, which is a huge time saver. Another feature you'll love is the integration with popular CRM systems. Moosemail AI syncs seamlessly with platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and others, allowing you to manage your contacts more efficiently. If you've ever struggled with syncing contacts manually, you'll immediately appreciate how this tool takes care of that for you, so everything stays in one place. What about analytics? Moosemail AI goes beyond simple open rates and click-throughs. It provides in-depth data on how recipients are interacting with your emails, from the time they open the message to which links they click. With this information, you can continually refine your strategy and create even better campaigns in the future. The software also shines when it comes to testing. It features A/B testing, where you can easily compare different email variations to see what works best. Whether it's subject lines, call to action buttons, or images, testing ensures you're always optimizing for the best results. It's a must-have feature for any serious marketer who wants to maximize their ROI. One area where Moosemail AI truly stands out is its deliverability. Thanks to its AI-based technology, it's able to ensure that your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. This is huge, especially if you've been struggling with deliverability issues in the past. With Moosemail, you're looking at a much higher chance that your emails will reach your audience. Finally, let's talk about ease of use. Some AI tools can be overwhelming, but Moosemail has a user-friendly interface that anyone, even beginners, can navigate. You won't need to spend hours learning how to use the platform. It's intuitive, and the dashboard makes it easy to track campaigns, view results, and tweak settings as needed. Before I wrap this up, if you're looking to try Moosemail AI for yourself, you can get started for free by clicking the first link below in the description. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I've also got a list of my recommended AI software, all available for free trials, so you can keep your marketing game strong. So, is Moosemail AI the next big thing in email marketing? Well, if you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to manage your campaigns, I'd say it's definitely worth a try. With its personalization, automation, integrations, and analytics, this software could be exactly what you need to take your email marketing to the next level. Don't forget to check out the software I recommend in the description. After all, I've tested countless tools to bring you the best of the best.